This is question number 1. Draw a line, say AB, take a point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compasses only. Now first of all, we will draw a line AB first. Now this is the line AB and we will mark A and B on the other side. Now here take a point C outside it. That means we are required to take a point C. एक point C लेना है हमें जो कि AB से बाहर हो. Now here we have taken a point C. Now we are required to draw a line parallel to AB through the point C. Now अब हमें यहाँ पे एक लाइन बनानी है जो कि C से होते हुए जाए और AB के पैरेलल हो. Now for drawing parallel lines, this is I am solving on the rough side, don't draw this. हमें यहाँ पे alternate property follow करनी पड़ेगी. These type two angles we are required to draw and these two angles should be equal by alternate property, then the lines will be parallel. If we draw these alternate angles equal, then we can draw the lines parallel, otherwise not. So this is the figure. Now we will join C point to any point D on the line AB. Now it is CD. Now after drawing CD, here you can see one line will be drawn. These two figures are rough figures and this middle figure is the original. Now take radius in your compass, any radius you can take, but don't change it. Mark an arc from D and then first of all mark from D and then mark it from C. First of all from D, don't change it and mark the same arc from D without changing the measurement of the compass. Now we have marked. Now here you are required to measure this arc in your compass. अब ये जो आर्क हमने D से बनाई है, यहाँ पे इस आर्क की लेंथ को मेजर करेंगे. We are measuring this and according to this we are required to change the distance in your compass also. अब हमने इसको measure कर लिया है. Now we will mark an arc again on the upper side arc by putting our needle on here. Now you can see, and then we will mark without changing it. Now this is the point from where we are required to draw the parallel line. Now we will draw a line. Now here you can see these two angles are showing alternate angles, and then from here now we will mark an arc. Now you can see, yes. Now we will draw the line. This line will be parallel to AB. Yes, now we are drawing this. This line is parallel to AB. For the line, make arrow both sides. Now we have made arrow and name this as EF. Now here you can see EF is parallel to AB.